Welcome to this tutorial on NumPy searching. Today we'll explore the search-sorted function, which helps us find insertion indices in sorted arrays. This powerful function uses binary search to efficiently locate where elements should be inserted to maintain sorted order. The search-sorted function is a binary search tool that finds the indices where values should be inserted into a sorted array to maintain order. Think of it as asking, where does this value belong in my sorted list? The function returns the position where insertion would keep everything in order. The basic syntax is np.searchsorted with 3 parameters. The first parameter, ao, is your sorted input array. The second parameter, v, contains the values you want to insert. The third parameter, side, determines the insertion position and defaults to left. You can set it to either left or right depending on your needs. Let's see a simple example. We have a sorted array containing 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. We want to find where the number 6 should be inserted. Using np.searchsorted with our array and the value 6, we get 3 as the output. This means 6 should be inserted at index 3. To understand why the result is 3, look at the array. We have 1, 3, 5, then 7, 9. The number 6 needs to go between 5 and 7 to maintain sorted order. Since arrays are 0-indexed, the position between 5 and 7 is index 3. Inserting 6 at index 3 keeps our array sorted. You can search for multiple values at once by passing an array. Here we have our sorted array with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. We create a values array containing 2, 4, 6, and 8. When we pass this to search-sorted, we get back an array of indices, 1, 2, 3, 4. Each index tells us where the corresponding value should be inserted. The side parameter becomes important when dealing with duplicate values. Consider an array with 1, 3, and 3 occurrences of 5, followed by 7. When searching for 5 with side equals left, we get index 2, which is before the first 5. With side equals right, we get index 5, which is after the last 5. This lets you control whether duplicates are inserted before or after existing values. Let's summarize the key points. The search-sorted function efficiently finds insertion indices using binary search, making it very fast even for large arrays. It works with both single values and arrays of values. Use side equals left to get the leftmost insertion position, which is the default behavior. Use side equals right to get the rightmost insertion position when dealing with duplicate values.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.